The Toy DIY2 is the world's first 4-function 3D printer that turns any workspace into a manufacturing center. The Toy DIY2 can flawlessly perform complicated 1- or 2-color prints. It is also equipped with a CNC carver for plastic projects and a laser etcher for beautiful etching or engraving. Building on the success of the Toy DIY, the Toy DIY2 guarantees quality and function. With our quick change toolhead system, toolheads can be changed in as little as 30 seconds. The Toy DIY2 makes auto leveling easier than ever. Using 2 sensors on the nozzle, the printer will automatically level itself in seconds before starting your print. Once initialized, the Toy DIY2 can produce high-resolution prints. By using our patented stainless high-pressure print nozzle, residue is reduced drastically. There is virtually no cleanup time after the print is complete. The Toy DIY2 comes from an award-winning 3D printing research and development team that has worked for years to develop this second-generation printer. Its unique 4-function system optimizes time, space, and money, making it the ultimate 3D printing solution.
"3D printing technology has slowly changed our lives. We have been thinking about how to innovate and make 3D printers realize more possibilities. Now, AtomStack brings the world's first rubber 3D printer Cambrian series after 3 years of thinking and polishing. It finally achieved the printing of high-performance rubber materials with a minimum hardness of 60A to 70A. Silent circuit design, hitting wiring harness, new hotbed glass coating, 4.3-inch capacitive touchscreen. All this just to make the 3D printing experience better. Import the material, adjust the support, and start printing. With Cambrian, you can finally freely express your creativity. You can design a shoe sole, then stick it onto your shoe, wear it to wherever you want to go, without having to pay high sole mold fees. Of course, you can also design a pair of integrated 3D printed shoes, which can withstand more than 100,000 twists and turns. You can even have your own shoe factory and use Cambrian to produce the shoes you design. Each pair of shoes costs only $10. To meet different printing needs, we have launched 2 different sizes of machines at the same time. Even for sport shoes of size 46, it can be printed with ease. Cambrian can easily print all kinds of rubber products, such as a pair of unique sandals, a high elastic ball, or a wallet. Or you can even try adult toys. The Cambrian printer is made of aluminum alloy, and an all-metal protective oxide layer is obtained through anodizing process. In order to print highly elastic rubber products, AtomStack has exclusively designed a 2.85 filament printer head, which can guarantee the best accuracy and stability under the condition of effective shaping. When you want to print other materials, you can change to a 1.75 filament printer head. The near-end feed print head, based on PLA and ABS industrial standards, also allows you to connect to other 3D printers when printing common materials. In addition, we have also developed various rubber 3D printing materials with different colors and different hardnesses with high resilience. We have the only 3D printing materials in the world that can achieve a 50% resilience rate. As a revolutionary product, the Cambrian series truly unleashes all the potential of 3D printers. As long as you have room for imagination, it will bring you greater creative space and commercial value. Now, we sincerely invite you to enjoy the technological innovation brought to you by the Cambrian series.
And after a few iterations, we honed in on the notion that anyone should be able to 3D print at home with no fuss. So it needed to be user-friendly and well-designed, a pleasure to use. We also thought it should sit on your desk like a little 3D printing buddy, a tough guy who can be in action all of the time, and that you can do all kinds of fun stuff with, not a one-trick pony. And here he is. Meet Plybot, the simple, easy way to bring 3D printing home. Combining state-of-the-art technology with approachable design, Plybot is uncomplicated, works beautifully, and won't break the bank. There's zero fiddling to get started. Just switch it on, and the superior onboard intelligence does the rest. Print anything with one tap through the Plybot app. It's also super quiet. Hear that? It's Plybot's Trinamic stepper drivers and 32-bit ARM CPU working together to keep the volume down. Plybot loves you this much. His robotic arms cover a wide printing area. Since Plybot's design was inspired by humans, why not dress him up? Choose from loads of different colors and even customizable graphics for his arms, like camo patterns or the Incredible Hulk. Plybot is designed and assembled with love in California. This small and mighty printer will wow you with possibilities, and its super affordable price. After years of design and development, both inside and out, this is the best version yet. See for yourself how easy it is to bring the future home.
Per day. That's a lot of 3D.
So it actually really is surprising how many different things you can make with a 3D printer.
You know, I'm really excited about the 3D printer, not just because it's affordable, especially for a college student like me, but it's portable. Take it wherever.
Make little figurines for your nieces or your kids if you have them.
I love to play chess, so being able to customize my own pieces, create my own set, and if I lose a piece, I can just print out another one.
You can make one little robot, or you can actually make a big robot with pieces that you actually put them together, and you get one big robot. Now, you really just don't know what you can make until you get a 3D printer.
Bring it to a coffee shop, take it to the library, which is perfect because it's really silent. You never quite know what you can do with a 3D printer until you actually get one yourself.
We didn't set out to improve 3D printing. We set out to remove the barriers and get 3D printers in the hands of everyone. That's why we created the world's smallest, quietest, and most affordable 3D resin printer. Almost all of the work is done. We've been through many iterations of the design, and we are ready for mass production. And that's where you come in. We need your support to reach the volume necessary to achieve our cost model.
We want to change the way our things are made, and we're really excited about showing it to you today. Well, we think anyone who wants to should be able to make their own things. So we're taking tools that you'd usually find in a factory, making small, simple versions of them. And today, we're releasing our first one.
Meet the Meiku Formbox. It's a factory that fits on your tabletop. It works with any vacuum cleaner and a whole selection of different materials. First, make your design and place it on the bed. The Formbox molds a 3D shape in seconds. Take it out and start a production line right from your tabletop, so you can bring your first collection of products to life. Start a business from your kitchen table. Use everyday items to customize your creations. Work with different materials, even chocolate, so you can make professional grade products good enough to eat. Sometimes you don't want to design something from scratch. Explore our online library of projects to see what other makers around the world are sharing. Even use maker machines like your 3D printer with the Formbox. Multiply versions of your prototypes without the weight and get a factory level of finish from your home or studio. We've meticulously designed the Formbox to fit with your life and your ambitions. Making should be simple and not take much time, so you can push the boundaries of what you can make for your customers, your friends, and for people all over the world. We've been testing it with makers and small businesses for the past year and developed a series of prototypes to get to a design we think you'll love. We're working with a great factory. We just need enough orders to start the first production run. And with your help, we can get the Formbox into the hands of makers everywhere.